morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos so far and I hope you find all the recipes are easy to follow. And today I'm going to make this tom yum chicken clear soup in healthy style. If you're ready, let's get started. Alright guys, that's it for today's recipe. Let me know if you prefer this version of Thai tom yum or you prefer to put coconut milk in it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and I'll see you next time.